Hello everyone, my name is Aastha Jain and today I'll talk about Provar integration with Mulesoft. In three primary ways, Mulesoft can be integrated with Provar. First and most common one is API endpoint testing to test the API endpoints of Mule apps to ensure they handle requests and responses correctly. Second one is Salesforce to Salesforce integration for synchronizing data between two Salesforce orgs, commonly used during mergers, acquisitions, or data migrations. And last one, end-to-end testing for validating the transformation and transfer of data between external data sources and target system through Mulesoft. Now let's jump into end-to-end testing scenario. Here is the scenario that includes Mule app, shows some API calls that we can make and sync the data from one system to another and verify at every end. All we need to do is first establish the connection. Then we start with creating a lead into existing databases and verify we are able to insert and sync that lead into Salesforce. Initial web request is going to create lead. This body basically takes all the variables to create new lead into the database and then asserting status code and custom response message to validate from Provar. Now we are running a web request to sync the data into Salesforce and validate that response code to make sure it's 200 and added SOQL query that validates the number of leads matched are equal to 1. After that, we are getting the leads and asserting in Salesforce. Next stage, we are testing to make sure that we can update an existing lead using a web request step. Now we have done the update. Now we continue it through again verifying the status code, the message, and syncing the new lead into Salesforce. Then we have to query inside Salesforce to make sure that the new lead matches all of the data is correct. We do one at a time. In this case, it's comparing each field, resyncing the Salesforce. At the end, we have some data cleanup activity. This allows our clients to test full end-to-end API endpoints of Mule apps and verifying everything happening on the Salesforce side as expected. If you would like to know more, contact us at sales@provar.com.